Do you notice your head drifting forward throughout the day? Maybe your neck feels tight and heavy, or you get headaches that start at the base of your skull. Forward head posture is incredibly common in seniors, especially after years of reading, watching television, or looking down at a phone. The good news is that gentle, consistent stretching can slowly bring your head back into alignment. Let us start right now, together. Exercise 1 is called the chin tuck with wall support. An elderly woman stands with her back gently against a wall, her heels a few inches away from the baseboard. She looks straight ahead, then slowly slides her chin straight back, as if making a gentle double chin. The back of her head moves closer to the wall behind her. A senior woman doing a chin tuck while standing against a wall shows how subtle and controlled this movement is. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 times. Breathe out as you tuck. This is the single most important movement for correcting forward head posture. Exercise 2 is the upper chest opener. A senior man sits tall on the edge of his chair with both feet flat on the floor. He laces his fingers together behind his back and gently squeezes his shoulder blades toward each other, opening up his chest toward the ceiling. An old man sitting straight and opening his chest wide in morning sunlight shows how uplifting this stretch feels. Only go as far as comfortable for your shoulders. Hold for 5 slow, deep breaths. This movement counteracts the rounding that pulls your head forward all day long. Exercise 3 is the levator scapulae stretch. An elderly woman sits straight in her chair and places her right hand gently on top of her head. She slowly tilts her head forward and to the right, angling her nose down toward her right armpit. A senior woman sitting quietly and holding a gentle neck stretch shows how peaceful and focused this moment can be. Hold for 5 slow breaths, feeling the deep stretch along the left side of her neck and upper back. Release gently and repeat on the other side. Never pull hard. Let the weight of your hand do the work softly. Exercise 4 is a daily posture check habit. An old man sitting in a bright room places one hand flat on his chest and one hand on his belly. He takes a slow, deep breath in, sits tall, rolls his shoulders gently back and down, and lifts his chin to a neutral position. A senior man sitting upright with a calm, confident expression in peaceful afternoon light shows what good posture feels and looks like. Set a reminder to do this posture reset every single hour. Over days and weeks, your neck and head will naturally begin to follow. You have done something truly wonderful for your neck, your posture, and your whole body today. A senior woman walking tall and confidently outdoors in warm morning sunshine shows what is possible with just a few minutes of daily care. Your posture shapes how you feel and how you move through the world. Stand tall and be proud. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.